In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Wix site preview error where the editor view differs from the live version of your website. Have you ever made changes in the Wix editor, excited to see your updates on the live site, only to find that they look entirely different? It can be quite frustrating when the live view doesn't accurately reflect your hard work, but don't worry. I'm here to help guide you through a straightforward process that should resolve this issue so you can showcase your site exactly as intended. To begin, you'll want to navigate to your Wix website editor. This is your primary tool for managing content and designing your site. Simply open your browser and go to the Wix Editor dashboard. Once there, locate and click on My Site to access the editing tools for the specific site you're experiencing issues with. If you haven't logged in already, you might need to enter your credentials to access the editor. Once you've successfully entered the Wix editor, take a moment to look around and make sure everything seems up to date. It's a good habit to routinely check if all your latest edits are visible. Next, it's time to click on Preview. This feature is available in the top menu of the editor and gives you a glimpse of how your site should appear to visitors once it's published. Here, you can interact with your site as a user would, which may help in diagnosing discrepancies between the editor view and what's actually live. After you explore the preview and have made note of any inconsistencies or parts that don't match how your live site appears, hover over to Back to Editor. You'll find this option near the top right corner of the preview page. Clicking this will return you to the editing interface, where you can make any necessary adjustments based on what you've observed. An important tip is to always double check for any unsaved changes before you switch back to the editor. Sometimes minor tweaks can be overlooked, and ensuring you've saved all your work can prevent unnecessary confusion later. If you've identified specific elements or pages that aren't reflecting accurately, you may want to review those sections specifically. There's also the option to clear your browser's cache or refresh your web browser to ensure the changes have been implemented correctly. If after trying these steps your site still doesn't look right, consider reaching out to Wix's customer support or consulting additional Wix community forums for more personalized help. Remember, creating a seamless user experience is crucial, and knowing how to troubleshoot these issues will serve you well. And there you have it, a simple way to fix the discrepancy issues between the Wix editor view and your live site. By following these steps, you should now have a more accurate and reliable preview of your website, ensuring your design vision is perfectly captured. Thanks for tuning in and happy website building!